Tanya, I'm sorry. Ndozoti. Ndakatadza chaizvo. And I know I betrayed you. I cheated on you. And normally kuchita kazhinji chacho ndo kunoyambirwa munhu, and I did you wrong. And it wasn't because I was being forced or someone was holding a gun to my head. No, I did it because I wanted to. It's a choice that I made, and I'm willing to suffer the consequences. I know what I did was very unfair, and I should not have done it. It was wrong, and I accept. But from the bottom of my heart, I am so sorry. I'm very sorry for hurting you, for making you feel what you are feeling right now. I can pretend to know, I don't know. But all I know is that I think urukuta kupiswa mukati mako. And I would understand any decision yaunopa kuti you whether you want to stay or you want to go, I would understand. Because it hurts, to feel betrayed by the person that you trust the most, and I know that now. So I don't expect you to give me a chance. I just want to hear what you have to say.
Babata, forgiving you something I did to Dara. Answer. But it's up to you to prove how sorry you are. Sorry doesn't just come from the mouth. Answer. You know you've caused a wound. Rawakaisa. It's up to you to heal it. Kana uturi wedzere. Kukuregerera ndakakuregerera Dara. And I'm not someone who I'm expected to keep something up. No, I forgive you. But if you really mean you're sorry, I'm gonna see it with time. If you mean it, you mean it. But then if you're just saying sorry because you want my forgiveness, I forgive you, Dara. But it's up to you to prove what you are really sorry. That's all I want to say.
Thank you.
Mata, it's
not easy. After and from this day onwards, I have learned my lesson.
Be careful of your words. Be very careful when you're saying something.
Okay. You know what? I want our lives to change. Everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Which is why I have done something you wouldn't want me to do. Listen. Ndautengera imba.
Ah, yes. Ishinga.
Ate. Panapa. Maria chanda panapa yakawanda yacho ndiana mama.
So?
You know wewe.
Matanya, I have got a bond name by know. I've seen this house with Papa Foundation.
I know that.
I want this one.
Oh, you're gonna have to change everything. And besides, I think Anna Mama no gonna go also get a Sorry, my time. May I please move in with you?
Só Zviri já na befere finish.
Well, there's no good and bag then get ya. Go find the bucket dress and bongo don't get somewhere with that.
Abata. Akore sai mango shanda one. Mushwa kumpa msina kana pa mpaka. Sinokana ra kubuya wakazvimba udeso batanya basa rashoka kutosiya kokuri nani.
Ndikasetora na mazebana.
Musika utori nani batanya.
Saka kufunga kuti mari musika inokwanisa kuendesa Natanya kuchikoro zvinodhura zvavanoenda izvi nekuti ramisa pamba panapa.
Batanya. Chichini nani kunza uri kurarama nemusika pane unzi ndinzi ashirikadzi. Zira rangu rino.
And if you wanted a better life, did you think it would come cheap?
Batanya. Even if you should have done the better life you could know ukazvimba kudai Batanya every day. Aiwa.
Listen, you just let me worry about the work. And you can go enjoy the session with it. Please.
I'm your wife.
I'm way much better. Come on, let's have fun.
Funny people.
Don't get up and don't be worried. Don't be worried. No, don't catch it.
She jamaitira ko babata.
Go to catch it. Go to
Ay, ukona this time moyo ungasibodeka. What if you don't come home at all, Batanya?
I'm doing this for you, for time and for Cindy.
At least I have to know what chichiri kuitika.
Trust me, Mama Duza fano maziwa.
Mama Duza nokukwadzere nebatanya.
Don't let me worry about that. You mean as long as you are having a good life, my family is happy.
It was a good life for the Batanya when one day you don't come home.
I promise you I will come home every day.
Uchuya wakadai kumbere nebatanya.
But at least I'll be coming home.
What if you don't come home one day?
I will come home every day, I promise.
Batanya, I'm not impressed.
Okay, listen to me.
Usandinyengerere ba.
I love you so much. And I know you worry about me, but I will do whatever it takes. You know, so Murumano Fanaku Chandra Moriyake all the days of his life. And that's exactly what I will do for you. Whatever it takes.
Batanya kana zvadaiso don't do it for me. Handimshukwanise imi. Saka ufunga kuti ndodya mari cho ndichifara here ndichiuti murume uya ndichimtoa.
I will move mountains for you, my time. Then you would know. Oh, come on. Can you at least smile?
Okay. She's good one, I'm so thirsty. Hey, girl. Hey, sweetie. Here you are. Thank you. Oh. So, tell me. What's the baby kwako? What did I eat? Are we good? How do you say it, kwako? No, he's okay. Kochi, I was not supposed to get pregnant. She doesn't need that now. Okay. So, go to say. Oh, no, no, she did a job. Ah, don't you say? Anyway, my unwanted pregnancies are not needed. Excuse me. And then? Oh, takanga sataranya yaripo. What do you mean? Oh, my mouth. I hope she'll be fine. Should we go check on it? Yeah. Okay. Don't worry about me, guys. I'll be fine.
Such okay? We're fine, girls. Let's smile. Put a smile on the face. Smile, 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 smile.
I am smiling.
Smile. We're supposed to drink this. I'm not going to Maharakai. Cheers, the Maya.
Okay, cheers.
So many things. I was arresting. Shit. Dave, uribe. Uyeni moto ezvipageti maitanyorwa. Kasika. Bada. Andishwada. Come on. Ayewa. Andishwada. Sembra yoriba.
Pambeda kan.
What do you mean you are not going anywhere? You
can't just tell me that you bought a new house out of nowhere.
How do
I know you
Yo, why are you so ungrateful? You?
Are we talking about being ungrateful?
Do you know how many women would kill for their husband to buy them houses?
Let them kill. It isn't that I'm staying here. I've got a bond with this house, so I'm saying that. If you're saying this is your mother's house, whenever it's going to be suffer, I'll go that I'm not moving in. If you are to buy a house for me, buy it in the Chiziva. How do I know it's not Bev's house? How do I know that? Really?
Matanya, you want to go back there? This is all good.
Because you can't just say from nowhere, you're coming from hospital, and then you are saying you bought me a house.
I bought you a damn house. Could you appreciate all the efforts?
I appreciate when I know where it's coming from, I'm not going there.
Fine, just go.
You're telling me I'm taking you to the bus. What are you just doing right now? It's okay, Batanya, you can go back.
Why are you so ungrateful?
Batanya, we've got a child together, for crying out loud. So why do you treat me like an outsider, Batanya? Why do you have meetings in this people? Why? You were talking about me.
That's why I told you about the meeting.
You're talking about me moving out of this house.
Nonsense, man. You just want to stay.
I am staying here. I'm not going anywhere. It's okay. It's okay. I just can't take this anymore. The first time I was meeting, I wasn't involved. Indambofunga kuya ngumbaini mama. Kwakanaka kuya hangu. Tinotaura ndauya mama. Alright, tumfarised. Alright.
Again, look on open Birakangan, and then get disappointed and over and over and over and over again.
And 50.
Hello.
Batanya, zvirise. Naifunga kuti tombonogocha gocha nekumwa madrinks. Celebrate kamwana akuyo. Hello? Are you there?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Mangwana na too.
I have to go. Total mangwana nti.
Masala sema. That's it. I'm set. What's going on? Sit on deeper.
Hi baby.
Hey.
Do you want to join?
No, I'm just depressed. Babe, I have an idea, or rather a solution to our problem.
Solution to a problem?
Nachifunga kuti iwewe you need a child, and I also need a child. But babe, as you said, I mean, these days it's very common.
We could do that way by. Asi ninze murume wako ndikutarisirwa kuti ndite vana veropa rangu. Vanhu ndivo vachaendesa dzinza rekwanyati mberi. Kana muri yangu yakatotarisirwa pandiri to do my part.
Ndikuzvinzwisisa zvamukutaura Nyati, but toita sei kana zviri kunetsa? Ndozviziva kuti unondida, and ini ndinokudawo nemwoyo wangu wese, and I know kuti ndine problem. Asi zvakanzi zvichapera pazviri kunonoka.
Come on, don't cry. Okay, don't cry. Look at me. We are going to go through this together. Okay?
I feel like this is gonna ruin our marriage. It's only a matter of time, and you're gonna give up on us, Tafuma.
No, don't think like that. Okay? You need to get the mind off your head. I love you so much. You know that. Come here.
Bueno, no furwa nemmeno.
Chimbosiya chikira chitobatanya kubva pawakadzidzedzwa chingofamanja usona chikutokuremadza wese.
Maitanya gumbo rangu haripori. Tezi dzese dzimusoro ndikuchaniswa kuenda kugumbo irori.
Chimbofambawo wega.
Aiwa.
Inga uri murume wangu ndipe ku.
Iwe zvauri mukadzi pana anombokudze.
Ndipe kunofamba wega.
Maitanya, udoti ndidonherewo.
Famba wega tu.
Aiwa.
Chimbofamba tu. Famba. Famba unofana tombomuka uchifamba wega uchisvika kugedhi kwese nekuseri uko. Ndinotounza chikomba pano kwatadza shoro.
Maitanya gumbo rinokukike ruzenzo.
De, chicha, de nana, de.
Uya pano, toka pano. Ngandide ndi mwana mbili.
Wakufamba wani.
Uya pano. Ngandibani. Peke ndo mashoza.
Kunoiti iwe usina bhutsu.
Bhutsu hadzina basa, zvanzi mamask kwete bhutsu.
Ina handina.
Mazi, unongodza kuti nebhutsu. Ladies first.
Sibatanya namusuda kubva pano.
Katamboitaurawo nenyaya. We have no other choice. Hapana zvokuti tizviite maitani. Uko kuti kuenda unozvitangira zvinhu zvedu zvekuti hapana anomboya achitinetsa kuti hey mimi mazoda izvo zvinhu zvedu zvinoti isusu. Please ndapota zvangu try kunzwisisa this one time.
Let's think about it. How much time do we have?
Shomanana chaizvo.
I hate making new friends, Matan.
Come on. I'm the only friend you need. Come on. Ndini lady here. Ladies first. Manje ndoenda negozi. Come on.
Unodona.
Unamboga pa mother seat. Kenda kutaona mukati. Ndosa ndoro tenga yangu mota mother seat andinetsa.
Ndakadona nini kamba wega usipise gumbo kabatanya. Aiwa kamba wega. Yeah. What's up now? Oh. Gaze was tough. Pick it up.
You pick it up. And do I say, Papa?
You belong down there, dude. So you better start getting down for it.
I see you brought your little puppy with you. You tell her to pick it up.
Oh, it's a phone. There's your stuff.
But I told you to relax.
And come on. I always dream about that girl. You know what I do when it's in. Can you trucks I can't overload that? Can I name the good on dig? That's not parachute. I don't like it.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Listen. Yeah, I find you at the right time. Then you end up but say, oh man. My name's Kana Dilana, guys. I just want to warn you vehemently. Skana Dilana, I'm just on Tauri. Dofunga and Simu one Kwamori. Inini, I'm a well known person, Monomarondera. Didn't my building at Pamsorapo. Chipizza Magda Papata. Eh, Muskana Dilana, akanyudza vakawanda. Pana mukomana anonyanzikanwa munomu kuma industry kwanonzi Tony. Izvo zvine mazino achina mukana. Kana vakanga vadila naye anti munoziva mazino ndio chinhu chakanaka pamunhu. Asi achina mazino mukana wa muromo warembera because mazino ndio anoshepa muromo munoziziva imi. Baba vake vanodhila navo kuti vauraye vanhu nekuvanyudza. Inini vangatoda kupedza building yangu vangada toitora kutotiite yavo. Saka musikana be careful. You don't know what she can do. Tangondi kubatse. Ndakuchenjedzai. It's okay guys. Zosana nangofanda.
I told you.
It's too late, but
That's so mama take away. I would get them look down on Mongo. You guys have to do money every day.
Oh, and those in such a news at Twitters.
But it's just here and I got big Ben. I quit so for my friend.
Yeah, that's why they say good old days, man.
Excuse me. Hi, baby. No, I'm with a friend right now. This is okay, I'm coming. So I have to go. My wife called.
I knew this was going to come. Eh? Just a go to to buy into it on cheese or so. Eh? How to eat this way, Baba Nukas?
Still, I have to go.
Ayo, no, man. Eh? Got to go phone and jet into the zone to tap. She's always under me. Huh? Come back, man. Let's talk, man. Huh? Dog to Murumega.
Let me tell you something. You have to treat your woman with respect so that she can do the same. After all, she is part of the relationship. So when she calls and they rush back to her, it doesn't mean I'm being controlled on the gajikisu. And she has the right to call and follow up.
That's your own business, man.
And sometimes, you know what, she doesn't even have to call, put in deep and they don't go back. Such a big friend like you. Have you ever wondered why I can't hang out with you and Tapuma at the same time? Let me tell you, my friend. It's always good to be a supportive friend. One who will tell me to rush back home to his wife because there's an emergency or something important has come up. Because after all, I spend more time with my wife than I do with my friends. So can you imagine atanga kundiomesera zvinhu kuti stress yacho muzoromo ndinozoikwanisa here. So sometimes it's better to avoid the stress. Iwewe ichaya unoita handiti udye sadza rese neiri ukore.
Ndezvo zvako izvo zvako zvokudyiswa izvo baya
Ndidyiswe nembaya.
basa newe.
Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba.
Batanya, where were you?
Iwe kumunda ndiko kana maswera seja yawaita.
Batanya, ndandichifona phone yako inge isingaiti. Already kana wanga uri busy. Ko wadi kuzofona back. You told me kuti uri kuya pana pamai manje. Only to come back this time. After hours, Babatanya.
Iwe aundibvunza kuti ndikupi mani iwe ndandikupi iwe. Uri mai vangu here.
Babatanya, if I was doing this, would you have accepted this?
Zvino make sense zviri kutaura izvozvo. Ndoshaya time nepost down because you want my attention. Ndikwanire uzinzwa. Mene ndinote prison man.
So it's about boys now. Muchita zvevakadzi uko zvine zviri zvechihure zvega zvega.
And at least they don't give me stress just like you do. Maybe it's because zvinotengeta vana kwani zvako. Iwe. Nai, dumba vanongochengeta sadza chete.
You also did chaitika wandirova. That's what happened. Batanya, you need your help.
I need a baby. We have to try again. I need another baby.
Batanya, I can't.
What is it?
Daddy, I can't right now.
You, we're going to keep on trying. Who's in there? We're going to keep on trying. Uskawa. Kamane. Gramana pamba pana. Muriangu yese kamira mane.
Batanya, unikwaza.